Hello students, today we will study about biotechnology. Biotechnology is the rising science related to biology. Means biotechnology is biology in the advanced form or with some techniques that are useful for human welfare. Biotechnology deals with human welfare with two aspects. First, production means production of new varieties of vaccine, food, etc. And second is development. Development means development of new type of vaccines, the food rich with nutrients, new varieties of crops which are disease resistant, etc. And the new development of techniques related to pollution abatement. These all are the basic aspects of biotechnology. Now we will study about its history and some milestone. History. The firstly biotechnology coined by Carl Ireki. Carl Ireki coined the term biotechnology, and next is S. Cohen and H. Boyer. They produced recombinant vaccines, means vaccines with some modifications. Next, Baltimore and Baltimore. They transferred human growth hormone gene into rabbit for commercial production of growth hormone. Next, Paul Berg and Frederick Sanger. They produced the new technology in the biotechnology, that was recombinant DNA technology. Means the technology deals with the recombining of DNA of any organism that is useful for human beings. Recombinant DNA technology, also called as modern biotechnology. In some means, recombinant DNA technology deals with genetic engineering. At the 1997, Dr. Ian Wilmut produced first clone of sheep that was named Dolly. These were the basic milestone of biotechnology. Now we will concern about interrelationship of biotechnology with some branches of biology. Biotechnology interrelated with biochemistry, that is chemistry of any organism, or basically chemistry of human beings that occurs in their cytoplasm or protoplasm. Another, biomedical engineering, that deals with development of new equipment related to medical field. Also related with immunology, the science of immune system study, and the last is plant tissue culture, means the culture of plant tissue for development of new varieties of crop plants, medicinal plants, and other commercial plants. These are the basic interrelated field that are related to biotechnology. Now we will consider about applications of biology. The advanced biology, biotechnology. Now we will consider about the applications of biotechnology. The first application is related to medical science or health. In the medical field, there are various type of applications of biotechnology. In the medical science, biotechnology deals with development of recombinant vaccines, means vaccines with some modification that are more effective than ordinary vaccines. Production of antibiotics, means the production of antibiotics according to increasing demand. Production of some medicines, hormones, and the more advanced application of biotechnology in medical field is gene therapy, that is useful in the removal of hereditary diseases that are untreated with ordinary vaccines, ordinary drugs, or on any ordinary medicine. Because of gene therapy, these hereditary diseases are able to treat it. The second application is related to agriculture. In agriculture, the most recent application is for pest control. Means the plants are modified genetically that pests unable to survive after feeding them. And the next application is production of biofertilizer, means the fertilizers produced by biological material in which some genetically modified microorganisms are used. Next is the production of disease free plant, and the development of plants with adaptation for the stress, means when the environmental conditions are drastic for any plant, it can be able to survive there. Other applications are as follow. First, sewage treatment. Second, detoxification of some pollutants. Third is production of edible substances. And the most advanced production of biofuel, means production of fuel with the techniques related to biology or biotechnology. These were the applications